Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok search bar. First, I'll open TikTok. On the upper right part of your screen, tap the search button. Let me try to search something in here. So I'll search, let's say makeup tutorial. Now we'll wait it to load. Right, normally TikTok should show you the users, video, sounds, shop, or live that connects to the makeup tutorial. Sometimes TikTok glitched and you won't be able to see those options. If that happens, go to your profile, go to settings and privacy, and try to log out from your TikTok account. Once you log back in, it should be working, and if not, then here's the alternative way to try for us to fix it. You need to exit TikTok and then go to your settings. From here, go to General and then go to iPhone storage. It might take some time to load. Then from here, tap TikTok. Then you'll have an option to tap Offload App. Tap Offload App. So this option will automatically uninstall TikTok, but the data will still be safe if you reinstall TikTok. Once it's reinstalled, you may now try to check the search bar and search anything from TikTok. And your search bar should be fixed, or it should show up all of the options that you're seeing here on the top. And that's how to fix TikTok search bar. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.